Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, each one of these candlesticks here represents 1 day's worth of price action, and that's what you would normally see. But in this situation, each one represents 4 hours. So normally, each one would represent a day. In this situation, each one represents 4 hours. So in this situation, while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks. So let's map out some levels here going forward. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart relevant for as long as possible. So the key level to keep an eye on going forward is going to be there at 7,200, and that'll be the first question that you'll want to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 7,200, which is that area of the chart? If you are answering the question that the price is still up above 7,200, then that implies that basically a good, solid, healthy consolidation is occurring right now, because that would mean that the price is somewhere up around this area of the chart. And when you factor that in, as far as, okay, well, if the price is right there, and then the last time the price got low was down there, and then the last time the price was down there, you can see, especially if you envision these as stair steps, that overall, the stair steps would still be progressing in the upwards direction. So 7,200, like I said, is that a do or die level? No, but that is certainly the starting spot that you would want to, start with the questions. Now, if you're saying, well, Clay, actually, I'm watching this 20 hours from now, and the price is down below 7,200, at that point, the next question you would want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,000, which is right around that purple line there, right there. If you're saying that the price is now down below 7,000, again, does that mean the chart's destroyed? I'm not going to take it that far, but that's definitely a sign that, that would imply that the bears have made a pretty big move to the downside. Now, a very important level is going to be right here at 6,800. So if you're answering the question that the price is also below 7,000, then the final question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6,800? And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is even down below there, that would be putting the chart down in this area of the chart. And that would essentially be telling you that, this big movement here has given back all its gains, which would be a full sign of bearishness. But on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is still up above 7,200. At that point, it's really just a matter of, well, how far up above it? And this is where gut instincts, common sense comes into play. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is right up there at 7,500. Don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good situation. That's great. But that's much different than if you're saying, well, Clay, it's actually up there at 8,500. That's a much different situation, and both situations are bullish. One situation is just a little bit more bullish than the other. And again, the easiest way to distinguish that is just how far up above 7,200 is the price when you're watching this video to gauge the level of bullishness for the chart. So watch those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.